Next main. Find LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. Question 1, 2, 3 will be solving. First question, 12, 15, 21. 2 6 times, 2 3 times, 3 1 time, 3 5 times, 5 1 time, 3 7 times, 7 1 time. So 12 can be written as 2 square into 3, 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 21 can be written as 3 into 7. HCF, LCM. Only number digit 3 is common in all the three numbers. So HCF is just 3. LCM is 3 into 2 square into 5 into 7. If they're not asked find, you can just express in this form and leave it over here. Even if you write the answer also, there's no issues. Even if you don't write also, they're not going to deduct the marks. But let's just solve this also. In the same manner, you have to solve for the next two questions. Next question, 17, 23, 29. 17, 23, 29. If you observe, all these three numbers are also prime numbers only. There is no factors only for these numbers. Digit 17 also is a prime number. 23 is also a prime number. 29 also is a prime number. HCF is 1 and LCM is 17 into 23 into 29. First 29 into 23. Into 17. This question, since we don't have any common multiple, the HCF remains as 1 and the LCM is the product of all these three numbers, 17, 23 and 29. If you just multiply all these three numbers, here is the working. If you just solve all these three numbers, you'll be getting 11,339. Okay, next question. Question 1 is done, question 2 is done. Next 8, 9 and 25. Please don't expect these sort of question in your exams. It will obviously not appear. 2 4 times, 2 2 times, 2 1 time, 25. 8 can be written as 2 cube, 9 can be written as 3 square, and 25 can be written as 5 square. Even in this question, if you can observe, there is no common multiple at all. So HCF is 1. LCM Five 2 is 10, 36, 2 size 4, 14, 8. Obviously this types of question will not appear. It is just there in your exercise. So this was for question 3. Exercise 1 is done, 2 is done. Exercise number 1.2 out of this first 3 questions is done. Next, fourth question. Given that HCF of these two numbers, that is 306 and 657 is 9, and we have to find LCM of 306 and 557. What you can do is, there are two ways solving this question. Either first solve using this prime factorization number, get an answer, and then find the LCM. You have already got this HCF. Find using the normal division process, find this. Else in the previous question we have seen that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Using this we can solve this question. So LCM we don't know. HCF is 9. Product of two numbers, that is 306 into 657. So LCM is equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. In this method also you can write, or the first step I showed you, right? You just have to take normal prime factorization method, just divide the whole number and get the prime factors, and using that you just solve this. Else we can do this way also. 3 times 102. 6 is this possible. You can cut here also, but let's just simplify the number so it will be easy for us to multiply. 3 2 times, 3 1 time, 9 times. So 219 into 102. 2 is 18. 2 is 4. 3 zeros. And then 9 1 2. 8 3 13. This is the LCM between two numbers. Using this as the basis, if you use this you have to mention this also. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Using this we just multiplied that, we just simplified. LCM we don't know, so we have took it as X only. HCF they've already given in the question, so we have substituted that. Product of two numbers and LCM, we just simplified this. After we simplified we got this 22,338. This was problem 4.